locked in here on my own, or like a stone that suddenly drops and it never stops. No, I could be lost or I could be saved, calling out from beneath the waves, beaten down by this ocean rain. Never again, never again. Screaming out from the crescent waves. It could be worse, bitter or sweet. You could be snapped from the jaws of defeat, or like a light lit upon a beach where your heart only sleeps. Oh, you want to stop before you begin. You want to sink when you know you can swim. You want to stop